welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day and it's a get things done kind of day. So I'm going to be all over the place. We are going to cook, we're gonna clean, we're gonna organize, we're gonna declutter. There's so many things I need to get done in this household because this weekend we are leaving to Miami. We're going to the kids' grandparents, my mom and my dad's house, because my mom's birthday's this weekend. So I really want to leave the house in like tip-top shape because I hate coming home to a messy home. You know what I mean? Like, there's nothing worse than getting home and it's a disaster. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I don't know about you guys, but there are days where I just have a lot to do and don't have the time to be cooking something big, grand, and fancy. And this ground beef pasta is one of my go-tos for those types of days. I just have to season it with the sazon tropical, garlic salt, add a little bit of onion and tomato ground up with some garlic and call it a day, you know? Boil some pasta and we're good to go because I can't be doing something fancy on days like today where I'm just trying to get a lot done. One thing that I also have been working on is drinking water. I am actually a person who rarely drinks water, so I found these jugs on sale at Walmart for like $3 and I thought they were perfect. I got 2 to drink throughout the day. It tells you the time, how much you should be drinking, and so far it really has been helping me drink a lot more water because with all of the working out that I'm doing, I need to be hydrated. I've discovered that very, very quickly.
Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you.
One of the things I love about this dish is that I literally place the ground beef, season it, cook it for like 30 minutes while I boil pasta on the side, and it is ready. At the end is when I add a little bit of ketchup. It just sweetens up the meat, a little bit of carrot to feel like I'm eating at least something healthy, and we call it. So this is one of my go-to meals. I would love to know a go-to meal that you do at home when you just don't feel like cooking something crazy.
I just wanna hear you say that you want me to.
Lunch has been served, my friends, and I have exactly 1 hour and 10 minutes to organize this kitchen and tackle the living room as well as this shelf. So it's gonna be a speedy process here because I'm determined to get this done. We have to go pick up my son from school and then go to swim lessons. So let's do this.
I don't know if I'm the one you want. Should I go, or should I leave this on? Because lately I've been getting this feeling that you might like me too. And just maybe I could take a little risk for you. Make me move.
One thing about me is that I work well under pressure. I have always been like this ever since I was little, high school, college. I always studied everything last. I did my homework last minute. I'm just that type of person where I just work better under pressure. And sometimes having that 1 hour and a half to just get things done really lights a fire and makes me just want to speed through all my chores. So I definitely recommend maybe like setting a timer. I don't know if it's the competitiveness in me or like that pressure to get it all done in a certain amount of time that just really allows me to get stuff done.
Oh, baby, I'm with you. Oh, baby, you're coming closer. I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? What should I do? I want your body in my body. Don't you see that I'm waiting for you? All I think about is you. You're coming closer. I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? What should I do? I lose my mind when you look like that, and get you tell that I want this back. Yeah, I do. I see you standing there. I just wanna get out of here. Oh, baby, I'm with you. Oh, baby, with you. You're coming closer. I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? What should I do? I want your body in my body. Don't you see that I'm waiting for you? All I think about is you. You're coming closer. I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? What should I do?
This is the point in cleaning where I honestly don't even know where to put this stuff. It's like little knickknacks, like, all right, I know where this goes, but these toys, they're like old school sentimental toys, and I don't want to throw them away. And they're hers now. Here you go. I don't know, it's just like, I gotta figure out where all this stuff goes. And I have no idea where to put this. This is how I want it to look. These fans are already like getting on my nerves there. I don't like them being there. Yeah. You know, sometimes I just have to step back and regroup. Alright, we had to do a break in our cleaning. We had swim class, and now it's time for dinner. Sometimes this is just the reality. It's hard to get anything done. And the kids are home. They're being crazy. I have leftover soup from yesterday. I'm gonna add some of these little egg noodles. They're like the really fine ones. And we're going to do like 1 cup and then some grilled cheese sandwich because I'm tired. I've got to finish cleaning after they go to bed because tomorrow is just going to be a day dedicated to packing. So hopefully that's enough pasta. Maybe a little more. It is a day like today's where I am very thankful for leftovers because let me tell you, there was no way I was going to be able to do all the cleaning I needed to do and cook something new. So the only thing that I did was I built these little grilled cheese sandwiches, placed them in this little panini press, and heated up this soup and called it dinner. Alright, so we have literally got to organize this chaos that is the kids' toys. I gotta fix those books, probably declutter some of them, and put everything where it's supposed to be. These kids like to just push everything out. It drives me nuts. I'm gonna also put a YouTube video on don't know what I'm feeling. I think I'm gonna watch Flying the Nest. If you guys don't follow them, they're an Australian family who travels, and they just uploaded, I believe, a Disney Hong Kong or Shanghai. I think it's Hong Kong video. So that's what we're gonna watch. Hong Kong, baby. Let's see. We might have to go there.
You and me. Late night drives, music loud, ours for speaking. Close my eyes and I was dreaming. Hold tight.
So I recently took off all the stuff that I had on these counters at the top of these shelves, and somehow there's stuff there again. So I took them all off because I feel like it just looks cluttered and I hate it. I absolutely despise having clutter. I need to do a clean through or declutter video because somehow we have 1,000 books and 1,000,000 toys again. I mean, it's hard when you have 3 kids to minimize. I just find that it's very difficult for me to do, but little by little I'm working on that. I really just have to declutter anything that they don't play. I also just don't like toys that have like 1,000,000 pieces because they drive me nuts. They just throw them across the room. They don't even play with them, to be honest. What age do kids actually play with toys? Because I swear my kids are 4, 3, and about to be 2, and nobody ever plays with anything. I feel like they kind of play with the stuffed animals because they create a huge pile and jump on top of it. But that's as far as they go. My littlest one loves books. Everything else, they just really enjoy taking out of these cubbies and creating a big, huge mess. And with the power of editing, bippity boppity boo, we are officially clean. This took way too long, but alas, I have a clean living room. My friends, it is 10 o'clock at night. We finally finished. There's so much more I still need to do, but you know what? At least it doesn't look like a tornado hit this play area. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.